Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 7th, 2022. We're going to talk about Alibaba today and see if it's uninvestable. And to me, that is one terminology that invest is one terminology that can kind of get misconstrued in what it really means. You know, as long as you come into the market from my perspective and you buy a stock and you sell it, you're investing. You're investing your money in hopes that you're going to garner a return. And whether or not it's for 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year is pointless to me, because it just took you that long for you to try to anticipate a return. Many people try to distinguish between a trade and investing by a duration, but nobody can push it down to a certain time frame that will constitute, okay, what makes it a trade and what makes it a long-term or an investment. Is it a year? Is it 5 years? Is it 15 years? Is it 30 years? Nobody can give you that answer. So it's ambiguous. So that is why when people talk about investing, to me, I just gel the two between investment and trade. Either or, you're doing the same thing, just your time frame may be different. So it's all a trade to me. Whether you're trading on 1 day, you buy one stock and then 6 months down the road you sell it, that's still a trade. If you buy a stock today and you wait 50 years and you sell it, that's still a trade. It's all a trade / investment. We're all trying to garner a return. So let's talk about Alibaba. Is it uninvestable? To me, no, it's not, because you guys can see I did a price prediction right here, October the 31st, looking for the market to run higher. So if I were to get out the market right now in Alibaba, I would be in profit. You guys can see it on the close of Friday. We'll be up 9.8% right now. That's a profit. We invested money on October the 31st. We were to get out on the close of Friday, we have 10%. That's an investment. If we're looking for the market in Alibaba to run to like 73.50. That will give us 15% profit. Now, are we looking for that to happen? Let's talk. Because so far, I identified where we can run across some issues and some problems. This downtrend line represents the problem. We are literally knocking on the door right now in Alibaba on the downtrend line. So what can we expect? Well, I want us to be prepared for some selling. We need to see the market in Alibaba break this downtrend before we actually try to maintain the move higher. What do you think the price is going to do? Because I will tell you, when we look at the volume, okay, because I am a staunch advocate of the volume. I tell everyone who views my videos, volume is the blood of the market. It brings life to these stocks. It does. And whenever we see spikes occur on a price chart, we need to take notice. And it goes in combination with the price bar. So we saw a lot of volume come into the market in Alibaba down here, right here at support around $57, $58. And the market even here on a 2-weekly chart closed up here towards the high of the bar. So that still tells me for the time being, the market in Alibaba is showing some strength. Yes. Now, is it going to be maintained? What do you think? That's the question that needs to be answered. Okay. So you guys can see even in pre-market, I'm going to continue to go forward with my price prediction. But one thing that I always try to push is that if you're in profit, it's always a good thing to come in and congratulate yourself and take some of this off and leave some on so you can ride it up higher. That's 10.79% in pre-market, but like I said earlier, it's around 9.8%. So I'm going to continue to go forward with the price prediction in Alibaba with the market trending higher. I just wanted to come in and talk to you all about being a little bit more vigilant as we see this market approach this downtrend line, to see some increases in selling and price begin to go back down. All right, so I'm done. Just give me your thoughts, give me your perception. We're going to continue to watch the market in Alibaba, because if we still see strength and if the market breaks this downtrend line, then we're definitely going to see the market run up, possibly to around like $80. So I'll come back in once we see that occur and simply extend the idea that we're going to look for Alibaba to go higher. It's just that simple. As you guys can see, I haven't shown you all any EBITDA, no DCF, no discount cash flow model. I don't go through what analysts are trying to talk about Alibaba. I don't go through what economic hardships or being delisted is going to go happen, if it's going on in Alibaba or Chinese stocks. Like, that is all noise. We need to get rid of the noise. Just look at the money, and the price chart is the money. So let me know. Hit the like button, consider and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade